BJ.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial on this person's coloring. I'm sorry, I don't really know her, how to say the username, so I'm just gonna skip that part. But yeah, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this purple coloring, plus a very simple theme tutorial because their theme is quite simple, I guess. So yeah, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save a video. So I'm going to go ahead and save a video from like an account. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so after you have your video, you are going to go on to 24 FPS, and I will, for the QR code, I'm pretty sure everyone has the QR code. Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone has a QR code. It's the Take On Me one. So I'm going to skip giving it because I'm pretty sure everyone will have it. And you're going to put it at 100 on the whole video and then just save the video. Now I'm going to go on to Precool, and I will put the settings up on the screen so you can just go ahead and copy them. And after this, you're going to go on to Video Star. So there is an Android or a free version for this. And I will show you guys that after I finish the Video Star version. But you're just going to import your video. It should look something like this. You're going to make video, import, whatever. And then you are going to go on to Multi-Layer and import your video. And then go on to Color and go on to Hue Shift. And you're going to shift the hue to the purple/pink side. So it should look something like this. And I chose this video of her face because you can see the filters a bit better. But then you're going to save the video, and now I will show you the free version. So for the free version, you're going to go into PicsArt. This version, there will be a PicsArt watermark on it. So I hope no one minds that. But you're going to go, and after you import your video, you're going to go into Adjust. You're actually going to click here where it says Hue and not where it says HSL because I made a mistake. So ignore this part, but you're going to click where it says Hue. And it should look something like this. You're just going to put it to -74 because there's all these colors. So you're going to put it to -74 around that area. And then you can click apply and save it. So there is this little PicsArt watermark at the bottom that you have to pay to get rid of or whatever. So if you don't mind that, then you can save the video just as it is. And if you want to get rid of the watermark, I'll show you guys a quick little way to get rid of it. So what you can do is you can go on to the video where you have the PicsArt watermark, click edit, and just zoom in on the video so the PicsArt watermark is away, it goes away. And then you can fix the quality by going on to CapCut. But I'm just going to show you guys with the Video Star version because my video is already zoomed in pretty much, so it's better to not zoom in anymore. And the last step is to go on to Ultralight, and you are going to click clarity to, you're going to make clarity to -5 and sharpen to +10. And then you're just going to save it. And if it shows you this screen, I'm pretty sure most people know this, but you're just going to click or continue and save with limited and add supported version of Ultralight. Why was that a tongue twister to read? What? But yeah, you're just going to save it. So I'll put the name of the font up on the screen because I myself don't have the font. So I need to download it. So after you have the font, you're going to go and import that video onto Font, and you are going to write your question, and it's the font we just downloaded, and then you can go ahead and just put that in the middle, and then there's also a symbol. So here is the symbol. I just copied it from someone, but I will paste this in the comments, so you can go ahead and just copy it from there. but you are also going to go ahead and use that for your little theme. And just put that above the question. And that is literally it. That's basically the whole theme and the coloring. So please don't give credits to me, give credits to the right person that I mentioned in the beginning. But yeah, here's how it should look. And yeah, you're done for the theme and the coloring. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! 걱정하지 말고